Alright everyone, here's how we do an oil change on our Acura RDX with the 2.3 liter turbo. First off, ideally you can jack the car, put it up, and you have to locate the oil drain. Conveniently it says engine oil on it, so you can't really go wrong. Notice the filter's right behind it. It really helps if you jack up the car. You're going to need a 17mm wrench. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ideally you're wearing 2 gloves, but I only found one for the moment, and yeah, I was doing it with one because I figured I'd use my right hand to take off the bolt. So you want to be careful not to drop the bolt into the bucket, because then it's going to be some happy fishing. I've done more than once. Make sure to keep it close so the oil doesn't drip all over as such. If you have the time, you want to let it drain for a good like 4 or 5 hours. I usually leave it overnight because I have the flexibility to do so, but you want to really let it drain, so like it's still draining. You let it drain. Then you need to locate where to put the new oil. Once again, Acura makes it quite simple. It even tells you the oil type. You want to get the 5W30, and the filter here is from Honda because Acura is Honda. That's the part number. You want to remove the old washer. Put a fresh coat of oil on the new filter. Pinky finger works best for me. And basically just screw it back in there. As soon as you feel that it touches the rear surface, you want to go maybe like a 1/4 of a turn or half a turn again. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want to be leaking oil from there. Next step, you want to fill up your oil. In this case, as per the manufacturer, it requires 4.7 liters, so exactly 1 jar. Still want to check the dipstick, make sure you're good. Make sure to get rid of the old oil conveniently. In this case, just put it back in the old receptacle. And here's how you reset the oil light. You want to hold the select button on the oil life menu for about 10 seconds. Keep it holding until the menu changes. And once it changes, you're going to be able to go up and down with the arrows to go into the reset. Mine was in French in this case, but it's the same place in the menu. And once you reset, your oil light should come off, and you're just going to look through the other menus, make sure everything is good, and yeah. So that's how you do an oil change on a 2011 Acura RDX in my case, but any RDX with the 2.3 liter turbo engine.